I'm really actually pleasantly surprised with these new sound tubes. These are actually made by a company called Terpinks, Terpink, that can be found on Amazon for about $5 for two pairs, which you see here, or for one extra dollar, you get three pairs. So I highly recommend these for any of the Rayneo glasses that you may have. Basically, what they are silicone sound tubes. They slide onto the arms of your glasses and they redirect the audio. You can see the hole um, down through the bottom of the arm where the speaker is, through the silicone, and out through the hole that covers the ear. You can see pictures on the Amazon webpage. And I would say it boosts audio at least like 40%, but more importantly, it also increases the contrast of the audio. You'll hear the basses, highs a lot more accurately. So if you don't already have these, go ahead and grab a pair. Um, I don't know, they look like shark fins to me. They look pretty slick, and also it blocks the ambient output of the sound. Um, so it should block audio from anyone who may be near you. Um, and then last but not least, I'm going to highlight a app called Radio Garden that I have implemented into what I should call the Tap Insight OS now. It's basically a web app that you run via Tap Insight that runs the really awesome Radio Garden web page. It's one of the best IP radio browsing apps out there. It's an app, it's also a web page. And so, without further ado, let's jump into that. Okay, this is Tap Insight on the X3 Pros. Um, Basically, what you see is what I see on my glasses. When you load Tap Insight, you'll see the Tap Link X3 dashboard. Under Music and Streaming is the Radio Garden app. And go ahead and tap on that. Typically ads pop up at this point, but I suppress those. Uh, Go ahead and press play to start. Okay, so you're going to hear skipping on this app. It's just basically the multitasking while recording, but on your end, when you're not recording, you won't hear the skipping. I had to do a lot of overworking of the back end, so uh, location services works now when you click on the location arrow. Um, it's a real phenomenal project that delivers IP radio from all over the world. Um, so you can um, click on your location, find stations that are denoted by the green dots. Um, when you zoom in on your location, you can just click on the green dot and it'll play. You can zoom out, discover the world as far as you want. rotate around the world. I really like this feature here. It's a balloon ride that basically takes you on an adventure to different radio stations around the world. Click on it and then take a ride. It kind of acts in a way like a okay. So the skipping is going to be a problem, but it kind of acts like a game where after you tap on the balloon ride, it starts to zoom out until you get a better idea of your geological location, and then it tells you where you are. Or you could just click on the location. In this case, we're in Romania. Let's do it one more time. Okay. Andorra, Les Galdes. Let's zoom out and find out what part of the world this is. So, yeah, that looks like Spain area. So, yeah, that's a lot of fun. Double tap like always in Tap Insight to make it full screen to get rid of your HUD. That brings up settings, more functionality. You can search. So for our friends like in China who developed the X3 Pros, brings up a keyboard, or you can bring up the Informed Text wonderful mic system that works with Grok with a Q, GROQ. You just put your key in the companion app. China, Beijing. There you go. And you can you'll want to get rid of the keyboard when you're done searching. So then you can scroll down. Cities. Huh. This one has a duration associated with it. So I don't know if it's a live station, but there are many, many live stations. The green dots, like I said, you can just click on it. Okay, that sounds like good coastal music. You can favorites if you find a station that you like. That's actually sounded pretty good, so I'll favorite it. And then you can access your favorites just by clicking favorites. And we did the search, their settings. And yep, that's about it. I'm gonna upload the latest version of Tap Insight today. That includes the link um, in in the dashboard, so you can easily find it here. And yeah, that's about it.